How to pay a credit card bill online on Bank of America. This is how you can pay a credit card bill online on Bank of America. Go to Bank of America's website and log into your account. You then want to click on the Credit Cards tab and then select the credit card that you want to pay. You then want to click on the Make a Payment button and then enter the amount you want to pay. Choose the payment method you want to use and then review your payment information and click on the Submit button. You can also pay your credit card bill online using the Bank of America mobile app. And here are the steps for that. Open the Bank of America mobile app, tap on the Credit Cards tab, select the credit card that you want to pay, tap on the Make a Payment button, and then follow the same steps as above. The payment will be processed immediately if you are using the Bank of America mobile app. However, if you are paying your bill online, it may take a few business days for the payment to be processed. And here are some additional things to keep in mind when paying your credit card bill online. You can pay your bill up to the due date without incurring a late fee. You may be charged a fee for paying your bill by credit card. And you should make sure you have enough money in your account to cover the payment. And that is how you can pay a credit card bill online on Bank of America. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say this video helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.